Alright, so to create a YouTube channel, you are required to sign up with Google because YouTube is owned by Google. So let's go ahead and open up Google. Let's type it in here. Then over here at the top right corner, just click on sign in. Now, if you already have an account, just click on the account and sign in with your password. But if you don't, then click on use another account, then type it in. So you can type in your new account here, but if you don't have an account at all with Google, then click on create account. I'm going to do this for myself, so click on that. Now we have to select a first name and a last name. Let's call this tutorial. Let's call this YouTube and click on next. Now you are required to also select a specific year and birth month. Let's say 1990. Gender male. Click on next. Then you type in a couple of characters for your Gmail account. So I'll call it tutorial YouTube at gmail.com, and this is what I'm going to use. So I'll click on next. Oh, this username is not allowed, so let's try something else. I believe it's because I have the YouTube name in there. So let's just call it tutorial 1 and click on next. Interesting. This is already taken. This is available. So in fact, let me copy this. I actually don't need this, but I'll copy it somewhere just in case. All right. So let's click on next and add in a password. Now this password has to be a strong one, so you can add in numbers, letters, and the letters you can have the uppercase, you can have the lowercase, you can add in other characters and all. So I'm actually going to type in something interesting. All right, so I have to confirm it. Now try to make your password as strong as possible and just click on next. Now you are required to also add in a phone number just in case. It's more like a two-step verification, so I'll add in mine. Then I should expect a message anytime soon. Alright, so the message from Google just arrived, and this is what I have to type in. So it's 312794 and just click on next. Now you also have to add in a recovery email just in case if you forget about your password. You can use that recovery email to get it back, but you can also do this afterwards during the two-step verification process. For now, I'll just click on skip and just click on skip. I actually don't have anything to do with this account, so I'll be deleting it after this tutorial. So once done, scroll through, read all these and agree. Alright, so now we have our Gmail account created as so let's head over to youtube.com. Now this is where we are going to create our account. I already have an account signed in, so I'll go ahead and switch it up. Now this is the new account we just created, and this is what we are going to use, and automatically it is signed in for us. Now once you are done with this, we can go ahead and create our account. So go over up here where you have your initial, just click on it and click on create a channel. Now YouTube is going to ask for a profile picture, a username, and a handle that you would want to use. So I'm just going to leave everything as that, but if you want to change anything, you can go ahead and type it in there, and I'll just click on create channel. Now we have the notification your channel is being created. Check back in a few minutes. So we are basically done with creating the channel, and we will come back to it after a few minutes. Now once the channel is created, we'll be able to upload our videos, make edits to them, and basically control our entire YouTube channel based on that.